What if the next Samsung Foldable wasn't just powerful, but also the thinnest foldable phone ever made? That's what rumors are now suggesting about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung is expected to launch this phone in July, and after last year's small upgrade, fans are hoping this year brings something bigger. Now, a new leak might have just delivered the excitement everyone was waiting for. According to recent reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be only 8.2 millimeters thick when folded. That number would make it the slimmest book-style foldable phone ever, beating the Oppo Find N5, which is currently the slimmest at 8.9 millimeters folded. To put that into perspective, last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 measured 12.1 millimeters when folded. If this leak is accurate, that's a reduction of almost 4 millimeters, over 30% thinner. That's a major shift in design, especially for a phone that already packs in two large displays, multiple cameras, a powerful processor, and a decent battery. Now, not everyone is convinced this is real. Earlier leaks suggested the Fold 7 would be about 9.5 millimeters thick, which already felt like a nice improvement. But 8.2 millimeters, that sounds almost too good to be true. Still, if Samsung has actually pulled this off, it would be a big deal. Foldable phones are still trying to prove they're not just cool to look at, but also comfortable to carry. Thickness has been a common complaint. People like the idea of folding phones, but not the feeling of a small brick in their pocket. Making the Galaxy Z Fold 7 thinner would fix one of the biggest drawbacks and make it feel more like a regular phone when folded. That could help Samsung reach new customers, especially those who've been on the fence about switching to a foldable. The real question is, how did Samsung manage to cut down the size so drastically? We haven't seen any official details yet, and with no solid info on battery size, hinge changes, or component adjustments, some people are skeptical. Could the battery be smaller? Did they rework the hinge? Maybe Samsung found a way to pack everything in more tightly without removing any major features. Whatever the method, fans of the Galaxy Z Fold series are definitely hoping this leak turns out to be true. A thinner, lighter foldable could be exactly what the Z Fold lineup needs to stand out again. It would also help justify the high price, which has always been a barrier for a lot of buyers. For now, though, take all of this with a pinch of doubt. It's still a leak, and Samsung hasn't confirmed anything. But even the idea of an 8.2 millimeter foldable, it's enough to build some serious hype. We'll know soon enough if Samsung can really pull this off. But if they do, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could become the most comfortable and polished foldable ever made. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on the latest smartphones, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on what's next.